is up. ESY CTE 2020. We are on step 3 of our birdhouses. So by now we have unboxed, we have test fit, we have sanded. Today we're going to put on our sides. Mr. Moore, take it away.
All right, folks, today we're going to be putting the sides onto our birdhouse. First, let's lay it out. For this step today, you're going to need your base, label B, and you're going to need your 2 sides. You're also going to take 2 screws out of your bag. Okay? There's some helpful tips that'll make putting on the sides much easier. As we mentioned in previous videos, we want to make sure that our letters are always facing in. We're also going to introduce a vocabulary word called flush. Flush means you want all your pieces of wood lined up so that they feel smooth. If we look at this corner right here, that would not be flush, and this would not be flush. We want the side to be flush with this inner piece of wood for both sides. Go. Before we get started, we're going to teach you how to put the screws into the wood. The first step, pick a side and make sure that you have this side facing up, the side that has a bevel in it so that your screw head fits in nicely. Then you're going to take a screw, put it in your Phillips head screwdriver, and turn it toward the right. Righty-tighty. One thing you want to pay attention to is you want to stop when the screw just starts to poke out of the wood. This one might need just a little bit more. Just like that. You're going to do that for both sides. Once both sides are poking through the wood, you're going to go back to your base and you're going to notice there's a little hole in the base. You're going to fit that screw into that hole. Here's a point where you might need someone to help hold the base and hold the sides while you continue to turn the screw to the right until it's all the way into the wood. Don't be afraid to ask for some help. Make sure it's nice and flat. You're going to then repeat. You want to line up your holes. You want to make sure that your angles are the same on both sides. And then continue to screw into the wood. And you're all set.